Hello dear nature lovers. Welcome to another thrilling adventure with TVP Wildlife, the channel where the untamed whispers of the natural world come to life. For today, we unravel the secrets of one of the most misunderstood, feared, yet astonishing creatures on our planet, the snake. From ancient legends to cutting-edge biology, from venomous killers to ecosystem guardians, snakes are not merely crawling reptiles. They are silent engineers of balance in the wild. Grab a cup of tea, put your fears aside, and join us on this immersive 8,000-word journey into the hidden world of serpents. Origin and evolution. From limbed ancestors to limbless marvels, snakes didn't simply appear overnight. Their story begins more than 150 million years ago. During the late Jurassic period, their ancestors were four-legged reptiles, closely related to monitor lizards. As some species adapted to underground burrowing or aquatic lifestyles, limbs became a hindrance. Over time, natural selection favored those with reduced limbs and elongated bodies. Key evolutionary milestones. Najashri nigrina, a fossil found in Argentina, shows vestigial hind limbs, a transitional form between lizards and snakes. Genetic studies indicate that limb-reducing mutations accumulated over millions of years. By the Cretaceous period, fully limbless snakes had already emerged. Snakes evolved specialized skulls with more flexible joints, enabling them to consume large prey and enhance their stealth. Their success in adaptation means that today, snakes exist in nearly every ecosystem, from deserts to oceans. Classification, species, and physical characteristic. There are currently over 3,700 known species of snakes, and new ones are discovered every year. They belong to the suborder Serpentes, within the order Squamata, which includes lizards. Major families of snakes. Colubridae, the largest family, including harmless and mildly venomous snakes like rat snakes, king snakes, and vine snakes. Viperidae includes vipers and pit vipers like rattlesnakes and gaboon vipers, known for long fangs and hemotoxic venom. Elapidae, home to cobras, kraits, coral snakes, and sea snakes, characterized by neurotoxic venom. Boidae and Pythonidae, large constrictors like boas and pythons, non-venomous but powerful. Hydrophidae, sea snakes, highly venomous and fully adapted to marine life. Unique physical features. Eyelids replaced by transparent scales called brill. Snakes never blink. No external ears. They detect sound through vibrations via the jaw and skull bones. Forked tongue collects scent particles and transfers them to the Jacobson's organ for analysis. Highly flexible skull and jaw bones, allowing them to swallow prey 3 to 4 times larger than their heads. Scales that serve both for protection and locomotion, with some species possessing keeled or smooth textures depending on their environment. Snakes come in a kaleidoscope of colors and patterns, from camouflage in the forest floor to vivid warnings for predators. Venom, biochemical ingenuity of nature. Snake venom is not merely a killing agent. It is an advanced chemical weapon evolved through millions of years for hunting and defense. Types of snake venom. Neurotoxic, paralyzes the nervous system. Found in cobras, kraits, mambas. Hemotoxic, breaks down blood cells and tissue. Common in vipers. Cytotoxic, causes intense localized cell damage. Myotoxic, attacks muscle tissue, often causing paralysis or heart failure. Venom is delivered via front-fanged mechanisms. Vipers, elapids, rear-fanged mechanisms. Some colubrids, groove teeth, or chewing action in mildly venomous species. Medicinal value of snake venom. Modern medicine has found incredible uses for snake venom. ACE inhibitors, from Brazilian pit viper venom for blood pressure control. Anticoagulants for preventing strokes and heart attacks. Painkillers from black mamba venom, stronger than morphine. Anti-cancer properties under research. Fun fact: a single drop of inland typin venom can theoretically kill over 100 adult humans, but this shy Australian snake rarely encounters people. Habitat, diet, and behavior. Snakes inhabit every continent except Antarctica and thrive in rainforests, grasslands, and savannas, deserts, mountains, wetlands, and rivers. Oceans. Sea snakes breathe air, but never come ashore. Feeding habits. All Snakes are carnivores and feed on a wide variety of prey: rodents, birds, frogs, fish, insects, lizards, eggs, and even other snakes. Pythons and boas use constriction to suffocate prey. Vipers and cobras use venom injection followed by tracking the prey. They swallow prey whole, using backward-facing teeth to guide the animal down the throat. Snakes can survive weeks to months without eating due to slow metabolism, reproduction, and life cycle. Snakes exhibit an incredible variety of reproductive strategies. Reproductive modes: oviparous egg laying, most common method. Eggs are laid in soil, leaf litter, or hollow logs. Incubation lasts from a few weeks to a few months. Ovoviviparous, eggs develop inside the mother's body. Young hatch internally and are born live, e.g. vipers. Viviparous, no eggs at all. Embryos develop with a placenta-like structure, and live young are birthed. Common in sea snakes. Female snakes may lay from a few eggs to over 100, depending on the species. Parental care is rare but does occur in king cobras, which build nests and guard them. Some pythons, which coil around eggs to provide warmth. Fascinating reproductive facts: some female snakes can store sperm for years, enabling delayed fertilization. Parthenogenesis, asexual reproduction, has been observed in boas, pit vipers, and even Komodo dragons. Symbolism, mythology, and human culture. Snakes slither through the tapestry of human culture like no other animal. In mythology, Hinduism, snakes like Shesha and Vasuki are divine beings. Lord Shiva wears a snake around his neck. Greek mythology, Medusa, whose hair was made of snakes. Asclepius, the god of healing, whose staff entwined with a snake is the symbol of medicine. Chinese zodiac, the snake is the sixth sign, symbolizing intelligence and intuition. Mesoamerican cultures, Quetzalcoatl, the feathered serpent, god of wind and learning. In religion, in Christianity, the snake represents temptation and sin, linked to the serpent in Eden. In Buddhism, the Mukalinda serpent protected the meditating Buddha from rain and wind. Modern cultural impact: snakes feature in art, tattoos, totems, logos, and are revered in some tribal cultures and feared in others. The duality, life and death, healing and destruction, good and evil, makes snakes a powerful archetype across time and geography. Misconceptions, fear, and conservation challenge. Snakes suffer from one of the worst public images in the animal kingdom. Common myths: all snakes are venomous. False. Less than 20% are venomous. Snakes chase humans. False. They flee if given a chance. Snakes are aggressive. Most are shy and defensive. Human impact: millions of snakes are killed annually out of fear. Deforestation, pollution, and urbanization destroy snake habitats. Illegal trade in snake skin, meat, and exotic pets is rampant. Ecological importance: control populations of rodents and pests. Natura. Pest control agents maintain food web balance, prey for birds, mammals, and larger reptiles. Conservation status: species like the king cobra and eastern indigo snake are threatened. Organizations like the IUCN monitor snake populations, but data is still limited. Education and responsible tourism can play a key role in changing perceptions. Why snakes matter and how we should live with them. Snakes are not just fascinating, they are essential. Their role in the ecosystem is often underappreciated. Reasons snakes deserve our respect: they embody millions of years of evolution. They control agricultural pests naturally. Their venom is saving human lives. They enrich ecosystems with biodiversity. They remind us of nature's complexity and beauty. What we can do: learn the difference between venomous and non-venomous snakes. Avoid killing snakes unnecessarily. Most bites happen due to provocation. Support conservation programs and wildlife sanctuaries. Share knowledge and educate others. Let us replace fear with respect, myths with understanding, and violence with coexistence. Final word from TVP Wildlife. Dear friends, thank you for joining TVP Wildlife on this epic journey through the world of snakes. We've uncovered their history, powers, roles, and the beauty they bring to the natural world. If this episode inspired you to see snakes in a new light, subscribe to TVP Wildlife. Like and share this journey with others. Comment your thoughts, or snake experiences below. Let's continue exploring the planet's wonders together. TVP Wildlife, where nature speaks. See you in our next wild expedition.